Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my August Allure Beauty Box. So let's get in here and see what I have. With my boxes these days, I've been trying to do a little bit of the try on, of leave my face fairly unmade when I come up here so that whatever we find in the box, we can try on. I just did my Ipsy glam bag. I'm sure I put it up first, so I will link that up here, which attributes a little bit of the makeup we have on. So if I have on too much blush, that is why. Let's get in here and see what we've got. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box. It is $23. Usually the amount of product makes it well worth it. It is simply a matter of whether it is product you think you will use or not. This box doesn't want to be closed though, so there's something big in here. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. We have our paperwork for August 21. Each month they also give us a little tutorial for one of the products that we have received, and that is what we have on the inside. We're gonna reach right for this and we'll talk about it. So 111 Skin. Usually people are fans or they are not. I do like the product. Some of them I can wear. I saw this was gonna be in this month's box and I have actually received this fairly recently in something else, like maybe an Ipsy, and I happen to know that I can't wear it, which makes me very sad, and you'll see why in a second. But it has retinol palmitate in it, and I don't wear retinol palmitate, so it is 111 Skin Y Serum Day Cream in NAC Y2. It is a full 1.7 fluid ounces, so this is a full-size product, and it is what they would call their hero product for the month. Our little booklet will tell us a little bit about each of the products. It is written from the perspective of someone that works at Allure, so they love it or they would not get to talk about it. So we know going in, they're going to love the product. I'm just going to take this out and show you guys and then slip it right back in the box when we're done. I'm not going to open it so that I can pass it along. It is very heavy. The woman that tried it has said a little bit of this rich cream goes a long way and leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized throughout the day. The hyaluronic acid formula is intensely hydrating, but it won't clog oily areas such as the T-zone. I asked a colleague with combination skin to put it to the test too. She loved that it kept her skin smooth, but not shiny. Even though I moisturize in the morning, my cheeks and forehead are usually parched again by nighttime, she said. But my complexion felt as hydrated in the evening as it did when I massaged this 111 Skin Cream on after breakfast. It has a $270 value. $271 million. $270 value. I wish that I could try it just so that I could say, I mean, not many of us are going to repurchase this. I'm sure there are some that will, but I would sure like to know. Let me know below if you have tried this, if you've received it in your other boxes. Did you love it? I would like to know for $270 what kind of miracles it works. All right, looking in this box, I don't seem to have any lipstick, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lipstick that I keep right here because my lips, I don't love the way I look, but they feel incredibly dry. I was kind of hoping for a lippy. Oh, that's better. I needed that so much. I always have something on my lips. Do you guys always keep something on your lips? It feels so dry to me when I don't. If by chance you like this, and this is what I consider one of the best nudes for myself, not a lot of color. It is one of the Sephora ones. Obviously this didn't come in this box. It's just one of the, I think, $9 Sephora brand ones. The Lip Stories, it's hashtag Lip Stories. And this is in, oui, you know, OUI like French, oui. Okay, anyway, it didn't come in the box, but I needed something on there. Okay, back to the box. Next out, we do have makeup, but I just put on, I think this, oh, I assumed it was an eyeliner, and for a second I was like, oh no, what if it was a lip liner? It's an eyeliner, and it's a metallic bronze, and I am very, oh, it's by Real Her. I guess I should stay with one theory, Kathrin. This is the Real Her I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze Eyeliner. And I would put this on, but I just did an olive eyeliner when I did my Ipsy bag that I like a lot. When we get it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Look at that pretty bronze. I hope it's that pretty. Actually, I still have, this is the liner that I have on my eyes now, and it's an olive. We will put this right next to it. Oh, it's so pretty. That is what that looks like. It is this thicker one. That is really pretty. I love metallic eyeliners, especially if they're not too light. I like them a lot. This says, I used to think cat eyes had to be done in dark black liquid liner, an unforgiving medium that I could rarely perfect. But this creamy metallic pencil was made for smudging into soft wings, and its copper tone makes my dark brown eyes glow. She goes on to say how she does her cat eye, but then it says, my eyelids are on the greasier side, but this metallic liner doesn't shape shift. That is good to know. $16 value. And again, that is what it looks like. Next out of the box, we have a mask. It is the MetaHeal NMF Intensive Hydrating Mask. It is hydrating, tightening, refining, moisturizing. I like the way that looks. I like all of the words that it has just used. I actually like the ingredients listed in this. It sounds really good. It says that the price of this is $19.90. I'm gonna bet that that's not for one. I will look it up and let you guys know right here. I don't think anybody's gonna pay $19 for this sheet mask. MetaHeal NMF Intensive Hydrating Mask. If my beauty routine were a video game, I would have just gotten through an impossible level. Successfully wearing a sheet mask while blow drying my hair. Even though this cotton mask is soaked in serum, it didn't slip or slide as I went about my morning. 15 minutes later, the hyaluronic acid infused formula left my parched skin plump and refreshed. I also noticed a bit of brightening thanks to the exfoliating willow bark. That doesn't make me nervous at all. That's an impressive return on investment considering it took me seconds to apply. No downtime required. That does sound fantastic, and like I said the other day when I opened a really moisturizing sounding mask, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside for winter when I start really needing a mask, and I will let you guys know about the price. If it is $19.90, would you pay $19.90 for one mask? We'll see. Okay, next out of the box we have clearly a sample. It is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner, and that is what it looks like. It is 0.4 fluid ounces, and they actually show us in here what the full-sized looks like. And it has a $37 value. They don't tell us how big that is, so with this 0.4 ounces, I will let you know here the value of this. Let's get one thing straight. Starting off with some attitude. This isn't the toner of your teenage years. Black rice extract and hyaluronic acid top the ingredient list of this hydrating formula. After cleansing, I pour a few drops of this into the palm of my hand. You can also use a cotton pad. And then gently press it into my skin from my forehead to my neck. I'm met with immediate hydration and dewiness, a perfect prep step for the rest of my routine. Well, I'm gonna look this up and see what is in it, because if I can use it, that sounds fantastic. I don't use cotton pads necessarily like she does anymore. I use all of those reusable pads, and that's what I generally like to do this with. I have found when I just put it in my hand, I don't love it as much. I really like the feel of swiping it nicely with a cotton pad over my skin. Does it smell like anything? I'll tell you though, with this bottle, it is very easy to get little drops out. I have like 4 drops in my hand. So let's just see. Oh, it smells very nice. What is that? Very fresh and clean. Ooh, is that lavender? I'm not sure. I'll let you know here if there's lavender in it, but it does feel very hydrating. I hope I can use that on my face because it feels really nice. Okay, next out of the box, we have Décolleté Liposome Moisture Liposome Hydration Boosting Serum. That is what the box looks like, and we have 0.5 fluid ounces. It's probably a sample, but it's a very nice sample. It's a pump bottle. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is on a page with 3 items, so I suspect you could have gotten any one of the 3. This, or the same brand, but the AQ Serum Absolute, or the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. This is $125 for 2 ounces, and did I say we had a half an ounce? Yes. So we have a quarter of that. Can I do it quickly? Kind of quickly. 31.50. 30 would be 100 times 4 would be 120. We've got that 5 divided by 4. Yeah. No. 31.25. Ugh. Foiled by the math again. So about $31 just for this little guy. Wow. Let me see what the ingredients are. Since it's not just your basic sample, before I waste it, let's be sure it's something I can use. I can definitely use it. And this is, by the way, Japanese beauty. This is made in Japan. It came out just like, can you see? It wants to run like almost like a water. It's very light, serum-y. Oh, when I spread it on the back of my hand, it's like I'm spreading water. My hand is quick absorbing this. Oh my goodness, that feels fantastic. Wow, did that moisturize my hand? Oh my goodness, what does this say? Décolleté Moisture Liposome Serum. This cream to gel texture feels so luxurious against my skin and is lightweight enough to layer under a rich moisturizer in the winter. But the hyaluronic acid formula hydrates so well on its own that in the summer, I only need to apply my regular sunscreen on top. Here's what I have to say about all of that. Number one, it did not feel, and I showed it to you guys, it didn't feel like, oh my goodness, my hand is so soft. It didn't feel like a cream to gel. It felt like gel from the very beginning to me, almost like gel serum. There was nothing particularly creamy about it. It felt nice, but I didn't think it felt creamy. And number two, I would never personally, and maybe it's because I do have older skin, but I think I would recommend it for anybody. I would never recommend using a hyaluronic acid and not putting a moisturizer on top of it, because hyaluronic acid grabs moisture. So it can grab it from the air or the moisturizer you put on your face, or it will take it from your skin. If it can't get it anywhere else, it's going to draw it out of your skin. So I personally would not use a hyaluronic acid without also using a moisturizer. I am not an MUA, I'm not an esthetician. That is my personal opinion, but it is indeed my personal opinion. It made the back of my hand so incredibly soft, and it feels moisturized, but it's matte. So if you have oily skin, I don't think you'd have any problem with this. It doesn't feel like it's gonna leave it overly dewy or anything. It feels really nice. And last out of the box, we have a Beautique Beauty Blush Serum. And that is what that looks like. We'll put more blush on. This is the last box I'm making. I put some blush on with the Ipsy that I just did, but we'll try this too. Oh, it says it's lip and cheek cream. I could have done this on my lips. Darn it. I got too impatient. I should have read ahead or waited. The Beautique Beauty Blush Serum in Magenta Sky. Magenta. Ooh, that doesn't sound scary at all. As the weather gets sweatier, yeah, it says that. As the weather gets sweatier, I wear less and less clothes and makeup. My beauty routine gets streamlined to featherlight formulas like this blush serum, a raspberry tone cream blush. I dab the opening of the tube onto the back of my hand without squeezing to dispense a pin drop of this intense yet sheer pigment, and then tap it onto my cheekbones just below the outer corner of my eyes, blending out toward the temple. This placement brightens my eyes while creating a dreamy, lifted effect. Whatever is left on my finger, I smudge onto my lips for a coordinating blurred stain. From there, all I need is mascara. This is full-sized, and this is $16. There were several parts of that gave me pause, particularly the intense magenta pigment. If I can get it open, then we will try it. All right, here we go. See, I'm not great with scissors either. If you guys watch Jessica over at Everything Proof, she admits right away she is not great with scissors. I'm not great with scissors either. I just do it down here so you guys can't see it. All right, she said she put a dot on the back of her hand without squeezing. How would you do that? All right, there is a pin drop size. Okay, let's put some of this magenta on me. This is the last box I'm making, so if it all goes muck, it's absolutely fine. I'm gonna take it and just tap it out. There's a lot going on there. Oh my gosh, look guys, just from tapping it out. Oh my goodness. So she said she did it at the corner of her eyes and out, right? Oh well, I let it dry a little bit on my finger. Can you even see that? Oh, yes you can. I didn't feel like I could see it over here. Do I look flushed with excitement? I feel like it's not necessarily blending, but maybe because I tapped it out on the back of my hand and it dried a little bit. Can you see that I put that on? It takes so little. Like if I took it in my hand now, oh my goodness, it is drying so fast. I just want to show you guys over here. If I take it and even come over here, it takes so little to get some good color out of that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off before it dries down anymore, although it seems to be, oh yeah, it comes off easy peasy. I guess that's not necessarily the good news. That is the color on white, just FYI. That is it. That is the August 2021 Allure Beauty Box. $23. Let me know below what you think. If you can use everything in the August box this month, it is definitely worth your money because you have this 111 Skin Moisturizer. This is $270. I mean, wow. If you like 111 Skin, if you can use this moisturizer, I mean, let's be frank, it pays for your whole year of Allure if you can use this and you like it. It pays for basically your year of Allure. Is that true? Yeah. What a good way of thinking about it, right? Okay, next we have the Real Her Bronzed Eyeliner. That was really pretty. This Haru Haru Toner, which I can't wait to try. The Beautique Beauty Blush Serum that takes very little to get a little bit of color. The Mediheel Mask, which I'm going to set aside for winter when I need extra moisturizing, and I'm sure I'll love it. And this Décolleté, and I assumed it was French, but now that I know that it's Japanese, I wonder if I'm saying it completely wrong. Serum that made the back of my hand feel spectacular. Let me know below what you think of this month. I think it was a pretty good month. Even though I can't use the 111, I feel like I will still get a lot of use out of this box. And like I said, if you can use it, it covers a year of Allure. This is one of those boxes that it's just a roller coaster. And actually, it really depends on you and what you use and what you like, where you are each month on the roller coaster. Some people, I'm sure, with that 111 Skin are riding high this month. I'm kind of down here because I can't really use it, but it's like that every month. And I still like it. I'm still gonna keep getting it for now. We will continue to ride that roller coaster and see what we get. Thanks for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.